a few minutes. The very purpose of this event is to walk for a cause, to make people aware that we are unified for a cause, and to make known the entire world that everyone is working, is moving for this cause. What's the cause all about? The cause is that we are here to be a part of the society, to make people realize that there are sections of society where we'd like to take them together along with us. And the aim is to make also others realize that we should live for a cause. This is going to be a great event, and this should instill in you a lot of confidence about good things that you're going to do in your entire career and life. I request all of you to join us and make this event a great success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I'd like to tell you something more about the NELE that we supported. Being good is commendable, but only when it is combined with doing good is it useful. NELE, which means shelter, in the true sense is a place the deprived children can call home. NELE is a project started by the Hindu Seva Pratishthan in the year 2006, is a contribution made to upbuild destitute children's future. We, as a part of the student community, have taken the initiative to walk and support the cause of empowering the girl child and education for children. We are supporting the cause of 2 units of NELE. NELE Nivedita, which is from Mysore Road, Bangalore. It has 28 destitute girls. And NELE Madhava from Shimoga, which has 25 destitute children. As an MBA student, it was a very unique experience for us to visit the orphanage and meet all these children. We were very saddened to see that so many bright young children don't have all that they deserve. So this ignited the spirit in us to spread the awareness and campaign for their well-being. Now we have a small video that shows what NELE Nivedita and NELE Madhava is. And it will be telling you more about the walkathon, the initiative taken by our college.
Just like in the morning, as Mr. Ramanuja said, no speeches, not much of speeches today. I'll just give you 2 simple bits of how the walkathon started and how far we have walked since 2004. It started in 2004. It was like this. When we were in 2004, we used to conduct this Paradigm Fest, and we used to ask students to go and ask for sponsorship. It just so happened, students used to come back to me and say, "No, sir, how can we go and ask for sponsorship and things like that? We don't get much of an entry into the corporates and things like that, and many times we cannot get it." The next time when we met, I still remember in my office, we were just thinking, hey, we should do something new. The idea was to make sure it's a win-win-win for all the students, the institutes, and the corporate or the public. So what I thought of was, let us do what is called a walkathon, where students will go and talk to strangers or the corporate without asking anything for themselves. Then they have a lot of pride in asking what they want. And the corporate responsibility part of the corporate will, or at least the public will at least support it that way. Trust me, this has really become a win-win-win situation for the students, because they get the opportunity to go and talk to strangers, talk about a new idea, talk about something social and humane about the whole society. And for those NGOs which are doing a good job, who do not have probably so much of publicity that they really require, For such people, students will become the marketing operators. And then with this walkathon, the funds raised, which will go to all this, over the years we have done it for the Spastic Society, AIDS Foundation, mentally retarded kids, old age home. We have given ambulances, like every year it has increased from probably, we started the first year about 1.5 lakhs will be raised in a short notice. And then it went on for a blind school. We built up a kitchen and with the facilities for the kids. And the story goes on. Every year we have been able to make on an average about 3 to 4 lakh. And this year also I might proudly add the students of MP Birla this year have made much higher than 3 lakhs this time. I want to remind you that it is not the money that we have collected is the highest thing. It is the amount of interest and the awareness that they brought about. The awareness that they brought about to the students, that is more important rather than weighing it by the amount we collected. And I may also add, the seniors B section have topped in terms of section and the rest, even all the details we will give it to you on the valedictory function. That is the third day. And also I want to recognize our Nele people who are here. Mr. Sridhar Sagar here. Can you switch on the lights here? And Mr. Gururaj is here, Mrs. Anupama, and representatives of Madhav Nele. Thank you guys. On this occasion, thank you gentlemen, thank you ladies. This occasion is a lot more honored actually. Today by chance we have along with us from Bombay, Mr. Santanu Gopalan, who represents Bombay Bharati Vidya Bhavan. It's a privilege. And also I want to add Professor Ramachandra Akyal has joined today. He was supposed to be here in the morning, but he made it for the walkathon. And of course we have our friends, Mr. Suresh is here from Bharati Vidya Bhavan Director. Mr. A. Krishnamurthy, our Director. And I want to recognize a couple who have got up early morning at 5 o'clock and they have decided to spend the whole day with us. Mr. and Mrs. Ramanuja here. Along with his mystic son from US. Thank you so much. It will be a very memorable one, and I am very happy TV9 is with us. Karnataka Photo News is also with us. Thank you guys. And with all these things, I will request, we will go out. There is going to be a ribbon cutting. I request our chairman, Mr. Ramanuja, to cut the ribbon and make the walkathon open right now. And you are all given a small strip of tape like this. Make sure by tying it to the guy next to you. This is just a symbolically, we will tie our this thing and we will walk the whole mile over there. Thank you so much. We will all assemble in front over there at the gate. Thank you guys.
Okay, Excuse me. This one Bhaskar gave you. Bhaskar gave you this. What?
Sir. Sir. Chate! Bro, chate!
One second. Let this come up. Okay. Hold on. Ready, guys? Ready?
With
Okay,
all
sir.
smiles.
Smile. Yay!
ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಿ ನೀವೇನು
ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ ಅವನು ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ ಏ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ You're caught in action. You're caught in action.
Caught in action, huh?
Eman, chance!
ನಾನು ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ರಿಂಗ್ ರೋಡ್
ट्रैफिक रूल्स फॉलो क्यों कर रहे हैं? चल चल
Hi. Come on. Give a smile.
Poster sir, walk for walker sir. ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮಾರು 3 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗೋ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆಗಳಿದೆ. ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಈ ಸತಿ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗಳು
Sir, one ticket.
You are taking, nobody is taking you. Wait, I will arrange for. Wait.
PGMP.
PGMP sir.
Feeling hot there.
Come.
Guys!
Okay, come.
Smaller mine. No, I say only. No, only on the.
ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಡೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಪರ್ಮಿಟ್
ಯಾವುದು ಬರಲಿ ಬರಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ
ಯಾರು ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮುರಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ಶಿಪ್
ಭಾರತೀಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭವನ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ
Okay guys, thank you so much for a wonderful walkathon event that you have really done. I want to ask Ramanujan to speak a few words.
Can I speak?
Yes sir.
So friends, it was a nice walk. Walk for a cause. Which cause? Walkathon for?
Education.
Education. So this is almost the 7th year. And it was a nice thing to walk. We have gone to the place where our Karnataka is controlled. It was a pleasure to be near Devaraj Arats, who created equity among the people of Karnataka by his great revolutionary thinking, inspired by Mahatma Gandhiji's Unto the Last and Shivarama Karanta's Chomana Guludi. These two books inspired Devaraj Arats, who has created history in India, Karnataka. So nice. Another 2 days of activity. Take care of all your friends from other institutions, because you are the host, they are our guests. Let them go back and tell that they have seen one of the best institutions they have seen in their life. Okay? Wish you all the best.
Thank you sir.
MPBM rocks, guys. Thank you.
Sing. They have told you where to stay, Tracy. Going?